Hey there, this video briefly shows the unboxing of the Solong Tattoo Machine E96. Well, you can see the instruction manual, tattoo machine, and charging cable all in a compact box. The instruction describes its structure, parameters, working modes, etc. Of course, the most important is the tattoo machine. Can be quickly started up in seconds. Comfortable to hold, non-slip handle design, large LED screen, adjustable strokes make your tattoo easier. It is suitable for tattoo beginners and art lovers. Each screen is covered with a protective dust film that peels away to reveal a clean and clear screen. The buttons are responsive and easy for you to adjust the voltage. Besides, it is a convenient tattoo pen with a wide range of stroke options for all standard cartridge tattoo needles, and easy to install and uninstall the cartridge. Simply use the USB-C charging cable to charge it, which is very convenient. If you like different tattoo styles, we highly recommend this tattoo machine Solong E96.